Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're having the problem this sound is not licensed for commercial use on TikTok, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your TikTok account. First of all, here you will have to open setting. Then after that, here you'll have to scroll it below. Then here you will have to search for apps. Then here you need to tap on app management. After that, here you need to tap on app list. And from here you will have to search for TikTok application. So here you will have to search for TikTok app. So here is TikTok, and you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to tap on storage usage. Then from here you will have to tap on clear cache. Then after that, tap on clear data. Then after that, go back, and here you will have to close this. Then after that, here you will have to long press TikTok application, and then from here you will have to uninstall the TikTok application from here. Then after that, here you will need to open App Store or Play Store. Then here you will need to open Play Store. Then from here you will have to search for TikTok application. And then from here you will have to update your TikTok application to the latest available version. Then after that, here you need to close this. Then after that, here you will need to open TikTok application. Then after that, here you need to tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on three lines on the right side upper corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. After that, here you need to tap on account. Then here you will find the option to switch to business account. You will need to tap on this. Then here you will have to wait a while. Then here you need to tap on next. Again tap on next. Then again tap on next. Then again tap on next. Then after that, here you will have to select from here, then tap on next. Then here you will need to enter your email address that will verify your account. Then after that, you will be able to use that sound on your TikTok application. So in this way, you can fix this problem if you are having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.